you. So the comment came from even erudite people. The school say there is no culture. Our schools in Noida on this. There's no culture here. There are only teachers and jobs.
True.
Then I was telling them we are the immigrants here. You know, they are the people, and from my limited knowledge, these are the reason they look down is they are people who rebel both against the Islamic invaders and the English.
True. True.
So, you're not
Absolutely right,
part of
ma'am.
the British
Absolutely.
Army, so you made denotified tribes and whatever else.
Absolutely.
And even in the village next to my colony, the person in the park still has the original land. He's more civilized than the others. Because the RWA is, like my RWA is headed by an IFS officer, but the RWAs will fight with each other. But with him, he carries respect. The light, if he says the light goes off at 7 o'clock because there are animals in the park, there is a dog corner, so he's more civilized than the rest. But my question now is how does one get this history or information? He tells me, but it's all it's like
It's all the cultural knowledge.
yeah, it's like
And in the
my
mind of
grandfather
people.
did this,
Yes.
Raju Sarai village, that one is it. But where does one get the whole thing? I mean, like
It's very difficult to get, ma'am.
But ma'am, this is also, this conversation, this festival is also a way to bring those stories out. And I laud all the organizers. In fact, Rahul Bhaiya, Sangam, so bringing these thought processes, these ideas together. इनफैक्ट I'd argue वो जो हमारी सभ्यता हमारा समाज ना it develops और it is perpetuated through these conversations. हम बातें करते रहेंगे, मैं अपनी बताऊंगा, सर आपकी सुनूंगा, ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे मैसेज पास होगा. And this is the only way our society has faced onslaught for years and still preserved its rootedness. So what we are doing right now is also, in a way, an effort to preserve what I've gotten from my forefathers and preparing myself to pass it down to the next generations.
Like, are the Gujarat Pratiharas part of Haryana?
Not the Gujar Pratiharas, but Gujar culture, of course, is part of the larger Haryanvi culture, because in Haryana we have this common concept called Chhattis Biradari. So just everybody just comes together. This is also could be read in parallel to what is written. It's the last shloka of the Rig Ved, where Yagya mein sabke, right. So everybody can sort of come together. Whoever appreciates the coexistence of the other one is welcome. If you don't appreciate the coexistence, then we've got swords, bhalas and everything to take you on.